Hello everyone, I am Divya from Namashahr, Punjab. I am a personality development coach in a skill center. I am a participant of Forever Miss India 2021 that is organized by FCA. Now I want to share something about FCA. FCA is India's biggest community of talented people. This is a platform where awardees and participants can interact with each other. In 2020, FCA organized two projects that are the Real Superman of 2020 and the Real Superwoman of 2020. This year, Forever Miss India 2021 and Forever Mrs. India 2021 are organized by FCA. This is a platform for every talented people to glorify their skills. I have participated in FCA because I want something change in my life. My hobby is to try every new thing in life. And after participation, my experience with FCA is mind blowing day by day. It's awesome. Nowadays, I am trying to do every single little thing for my personality development that I forgot to do from ages. And the most important thing that I learned is self love. I think self love is so important for everyone for a good life. We are so busy in our daily life that we forget to love ourselves. So self love is most important, and I think this is a right platform for me to explore my hidden talent, and I want to meet my new version. And after participation, I think that I am able to do more than I imagined. So, from my heart, I am really thankful to FCA and the team that I am a part of this team.